The difference between me and Lexington Law is the fact that we don't limit your disputes. With Lexington Law, you're getting 5 dispute items with TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. A total of 15 items per month? That's not enough, especially for us that have tons and tons of inquiries and accounts that we need to have corrected. No, that ain't happening over here. Every single month, we are going to dispute every single thing that is affecting you in a negative manner. That's what you're paying for. Our goal is to not have you paying as a monthly client for years to come. Our goal is for you to have the success that you're seeking within a 6 to 12 month period. And what that consists of is removing negative items and adding a lot of positives. And that's another thing that a lot of these large corporation companies are not going to do.
Mama on camera, coming live from the mud pit. We don't take post beef for granted.